What is going on, guys? Dr. Snipers here, back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how you can significantly improve your Xbox One internet speed. It should also work for PS4 because you guys have the same network connections as we do, I'm pretty sure, in the settings. And yeah, let's jump straight into the video. Start off, guys, I'm just going to be on my Xbox here and we're going to go into our settings. Then from there we're going to want to go into the general settings and go to network settings. And from here we're going to go advanced settings. And you're going to go to DNS settings. Now here, most of you guys are going to, pretty much all you guys are going to be on automatic, unless you changed it to manual. If you did already, then this video is probably not for you, but we are going to be changing this to manual today. I'm going to be showing you guys how. So manually, you guys are going to get this screen here. So the primary IPv4 DNS settings. Depending on where you guys live, it's going to be different. There's different DNS servers for where you live. But I'm just going to show you what I do for myself. So I'm just going to not full screen this anymore. Let's go into Google Chrome. And here, let's just start from the beginning. So we'll search up DNS servers near me. So you can just do that on the internet. DNS servers in Canada, that's where I'm at. And then it gives me all the different locations, all the different cities. Toronto, I live near Toronto. Mississauga, I live even closer to here. So let's go with this one right here. So as you can see, there's going to be the numbers on the left side. So we're going to type those in. So I'm actually just going to minimize this screen quickly so you guys can see what I'm doing as well. I will have to have it open at the same time so I can actually see the numbers. So yeah, hopefully this should be okay for you guys right here. All right, this should be perfect. So we got 209.29.150.135. Next, the second one, you're just gonna go with the one in the same location closest to it. So this is gonna be like the secondary one pretty much. So go with this one right here that I just highlighted. Let's open the stream back up, or the Xbox screen. And then we got 209.29.150, or sorry, 150, I put a dot by accident, dot 136. So yeah, pretty much what it's going to do, so I'll just full screen this again. What it's going to do is connect you to that DNS server as it did there. So if we go back into my DNS settings and I go back to manual, I am connected to this one. I can skip through them. I am connected to this one now. It's not connected to automatic anymore. So this is the DNS server. This is a lot better if your internet's not that great at all. But my internet's not that bad either way, so I don't normally use this. But if you're downloading at about 30 megabytes per second, then this could increase it. So let's test the network speed and statistics with the DNS server. This could take a minute or two, so I'll just be right back. Back to you guys, and this is what it's given us. Download speed of 135.70, upload speed of 52. So that's pretty quick, guys. 135 megabytes per second for a DNS servers. Pretty fast. If you guys are only downloading at like 30 or something like that, that's going to help you dramatically. But the other thing I want to say is 100% make sure you guys are getting a wired connection. Get an Ethernet cord. I don't have one right now. The router's too far from where my Xbox is to get one, but the download speeds can go up to 200, 250 if I did have one, but they're only at 130 now, and that's with the help of the DNS server as well. So yeah, again, check your DNS settings, find a DNS server near you, connect to it if you have bad internet, 100% get an Ethernet cable. That's the number one step in any tutorial that you guys should be listening to. And yeah, if you guys enjoy this video and it does help you guys out, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.